Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something super fun and adorable to review. The best corn keychain you'll ever come across. Yes, you heard that right. This is the MuMyer Funny Positive Crochet Potato Keychain, and it's not just any ordinary keychain. It's your new emotional support buddy. This charming keychain features a handmade crochet potato design that's as cute as it is functional. Crafted from soft woolen yarn, it's lightweight, incredibly comfortable to hold, and has excellent elasticity, meaning it keeps its shape even after being squished. You might just find yourself giving it a little squeeze whenever you need a boost of positivity. What sets this keychain apart is not just its cuteness but also its thoughtful design. Along with the potato, you receive an emotional encouragement card. Whether you're feeling stressed, anxious, or just a bit down, this little potato can serve as a reminder that you're never alone. It brings warmth and comfort, making it a great companion for those tough days. This keychain isn't just a pretty face, it's incredibly versatile too. You can easily attach it to your backpack, keys, or purse, making it both a decorative and practical accessory. The bright colors are sure to catch the eye and bring a smile to anyone's face who sees it. And let's not forget how perfect this is as a gift. It's an ideal present for friends, family, or coworkers for any occasion, birthdays, graduations, Mother's Day, or even just because. The unique blend of humor and emotional support makes it a thoughtful choice that's sure to be appreciated. In summary, the MuMyer Funny Positive Crochet Potato Keychain is more than just a keychain. It's a delightful little companion that spreads joy and positivity. With its handmade quality, emotional support features, and adorable design, it truly stands out in a world of ordinary keychains. If you're looking to add a bit of charm to your daily routine or need a thoughtful gift that conveys support and love, this keychain is definitely worth considering. Be sure to check it out and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching Product Critique. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fun product reviews. See you next time.